So last week we introduced the Airite Storm Shadow. What do I have for you this week? The Airite data is actually coming very soon. But before that, before I explain to you what is the Airite data and how it will actually be that is executing your trades with the Airite data, let us first of all that is debunk that is on the Airite Storm Shadow. Airite Storm Shadow is actually a speed robot which executes contracts at a speed of 1 tick. So after every 1 tick, this robot is actually closing a contract for all 1s volatilities. Yeah. So what you need to do, like when you're executing your contracts, this robot does not skip even a single tick. So this robot works best when you are trading markets like over 6, markets like under 3, markets like matches. In short, this robot works best for high risk market because it does not skip that is any tick. The only thing you need to have is, as you trade with this robot, have good risk management. Make sure you have that is some good material, and make sure you have that is make sure you set up your TP and your stop loss. Yeah, then you can just apply any strategies that I have actually been teaching before. They work very well with this specific robot. Yeah, and now from the Airite Storm Shadow, I got an idea on how to create that is the Airite Thunder. Airite Thunder will be working like previously we have had these robots that trades under 8, after losing switches to under 5, under 4. Or you can have a robot that trades, for example, over 0, over 1, or even over 2. After loss, the robot will switch to something like over 4, over 5 to make a recovery. Now, with the Airite Thunder, this robot will be working the same. Yeah. So this robot will have prediction before loss and prediction after loss. So prediction before loss, like the moment you just run that robot, it will execute, that is your first, it will execute all your contracts using the first prediction, which is prediction before loss. Then after this robot hits on a loss, it will switch the prediction to prediction that you have set, that is prediction after loss. Yeah. So for example, if you set prediction before loss as 8 and prediction after loss as 4, so this robot will trade at the 8. Then after you make your first loss, this robot will switch to under 4. Then after you manage to recover, it will switch back to under 8. So these are just like the normal robots you have been trading with, only that now this robot will be executing contracts at a very high speed, at a speed of 1 tick. Yeah. So now I'm just trying to bring all those past robots we have had in the past, all those robots that we have been having, which have been performing so much amazing. But now we create some other robots that now will be executing contracts at a very high speed. So the Airite Thunder is actually coming this week, and they'll actually be making this robot available in the course of these weeks. Currently, the robot is still under development. Once it's done, I will do some back testing for like a day. Then I will bring it that is to you, my guys. So the Airite Thunder is actually on the way, which will actually be switching the prediction digits. So you can set up prediction before loss, prediction after loss to make a recovery. So I'm here, and just if in case you have any idea of any robot that you want us to create and have it on Airite Traders, all you need to do is just reach out to me and give me the idea. Then I'll evaluate that idea and see if we can bring that idea to life. That's all. Goodbye. In case you want to execute your trades, just visit airitraders.co.ke, and very soon we are introducing Airite Pesa, which will actually be helping you to make your deposit and withdraw. Sawa sawa. That's all. Goodbye.